I was facing 2 felony charges, 1 misdemeanor charge, and I was also facing 1 year in jail. I was visiting with family. It was Easter Sunday. We had dinner. I blacked out at some point, woke up, and there were police nearby. My personal memory is different from what actually occurred. I was charged with battery and vandalism. I don't have any criminal background, so for me there was a lot of fear of destruction of professional reputation. I never expected to be in a situation like this.
When I got arrested, I remember standing on the side of the freeway talking to the officers, and I just remember thinking to myself, what a terrible decision. All my responsibilities that I have with my company and responsibilities that I have with my daughter, and just how this DUI was going to just create a domino effect of just really tough consequences that are going to, potentially impact me for years to come. It really led me on a search, and it wasn't until I got to speaking with Don when I realized this guy's a little bit different than everybody else.
Don told me that he was confident that we would have a satisfactory outcome. It gave me the confidence that I needed to move forward.
I came to Don with a felony DUI charge. I was afraid that I would actually face incarceration to an extent where the damage would be irreversible and it would affect ultimately the course of my life. I discussed with Don the severity of the case. He told me that he would do everything that he could do to help me. I felt reassured, and I felt like I actually had a fighting chance at having some sort of positive resolution. I would definitely recommend Don.
The reason I reached out to Donald is because I was in trouble. My life was in dismay. I fell into drugs. They got me into a drug dealer, which I wasn't. But the system believed that I was. My brother-in-law, he told me, call Donald Hammond. Don Hammond is the one that's gonna help you. I did. It was the best thing I ever did, actually.
The criminal defense heroes delivered. Watching Don in court was like watching a master class in constitutional defense of your rights. We're innocent until proven guilty, and Don approached my case with that mindset in mind and made me feel comfortable.
I couldn't really ask for any better treatment or respect out of a criminal defense attorney. Criminal Defense Heroes was able to have a diversion motion granted, and so my case is going to be completely dismissed. I would definitely recommend Criminal Defense Heroes to somebody else if they were in my position.
Don helped me to fix my situation in a way that I never expected. I was hoping just to have my case reduced to a misdemeanor. I have no record now. This man is my hero.
You can't put a price on proper representation. You just can't. And someone that is going to really fight for you. So grateful I chose to come to the Criminal Defense Heroes with Mr. Don Hammond.